day the film started, it was around 5.5 years. From the day the idea which was narrated to me when K. Subhash came to me in 2008. सारे लोग बहुत एकदम sophisticated, quiet, बहुत sober behave कर रहे थे शाहरुख को impress करने के लिए.
I'm a big fan of how he makes his films. My only desire is that I should make him happy. That he should feel that he's working with an actor who will hopefully be able to do justice to scenes and maybe take it a couple of % more. Because I like people who are very hardworking, and I think I've never met a director who's so hardworking.
मैं देख के हंसते रहता था, इनको पता नहीं कि क्या होने वाला है आगे चल के.
नहीं, आप टच वच नहीं कर सकते. मुझे देखो.
Film Chennai Express नाम, so obviously it means it deals with train. In today's time, you don't need to actually shoot in a train. You can erect a set against green. You can just shoot the interior, which becomes easier. पूरी ट्रेन जो है वो स्प्रिंग पे थी, so that we get the feel of a moving train. आधी टीम बाहर ट्रेन को धक्का ही देती रहती थी पूरा दिन. I wouldn't say difficult, but the part where we had this anxiety was Deepika was coming on a set for the first time.
That's Deepika. She doesn't know why she's there. She's totally confused.
For an actor, every few months you keep moving on to a new life, a new set, new people, new experiences. It's difficult for someone who's made the effort to learn correct Hindi in the last couple of years to again go back to the basics of speaking wrong Hindi. Hindi is little difficult.
The way she has pulled it off, I think that the whole credit goes to Deepika.
Rohit sir just told me a few moments back, अभी कुछ बंदा बंदा लग रहा है. वो बोलते हैं ना, खामोशी के बाद ही तूफान आता है. So the तूफान is still to come.
चलो back up.
And when it will come, a big Rohit Shetty film is on the way.
Action.
Lot of crowd because it's Goa, and Shah Rukh Khan was coming on the platform to shoot. It's a public place, obviously. Lot of people, trains aa rahi hain, ja rahi, passengers.
So many people watching us work on the film. So many expectations, and of course, so much love.
We had to cordon off the whole platform, so we took permission. We had this small tracking car which I have my own. We took permission from the railway, and the moment I told them, he reacted ke, are you going to blast the car because मैं वैसे ही बहुत बदनाम हूँ. And I was like, no, it's my equipment actually. Train चल रही है and the camera needs to follow Deepika, the camera needs to follow Shahrukh and the train and the kind of mad shots I had planned.
मोमेंट में लेते हैं अपना वाइड करके निकलना स्टेडी कैमरा वो दोनों लगे टिकट टच नहीं होगा ना वन मोर बोलो look here and follow the camera but we got the shot I think so let me check out
The problem with train, what happens is when you see it, it looks very beautiful, but the pain it goes behind shooting it because you have to be very patient. एक बार train निकल गई, between every takes, it used to take us around half an hour. Train used to come back, the crowd used to come back, my team used to set up everything again, and again we used to start.
रोहित भाई ले रहा हूँ आगे ले रहा हूँ
stop the train cylinder
It took us little time, but then it was fun. It was really fun shooting that. That was around 6 days of shoot, जहाँ पे Deepika and Shahrukh, Rahul and Meena meet for the first time. It was DDLJ moment.
I finally got my DDLJ moment with Shah Rukh Khan.
So, railway stations are always like this. It's been a long time since I've shot in a railway station. So they're always a little far removed from the city here. So travel itself has been difficult. An hour and a half, especially Dudhsagar.
Then came Dudhsagar, the most difficult shoot of my career, I would say, till now. It takes double engine to reach there. It is impossible to shoot in a way. Back of my mind, there was somebody telling me, no, it will happen. Do it, it will happen. This location where I wanted to shoot waterfall है, waterfall से लगकर एक bridge है. We used to get up at 3:30 in the morning, including Shah Rukh Khan. We used to travel by road from our hotel to a station called Kolim, which used to take us 1 hour.
The whole issue of they had this train where train would leave by 7 o'clock and I'll be left behind. So I had to make it.
And the boarding time we had was just 20 minutes. 700 people, everybody helping each other. The only way to reach Dudhsagar is by train, and we used to leave from there. It was a big risk. I never do that because I can understand a lot of money is involved, a lot of people are involved, their lives are involved. Single track है जिसके ऊपर से सिर्फ ट्रेन जा सकती है. On the right there is 5 feet, on the left there is 5 feet. Right side there is water, left side there is a steep valley.
सामान राइट साइड से उतारने का है गाड़ी के राइट साइड से कोई उतरेगा नहीं चलो ऑफलोड करो लोकेशन आ गया
We used to travel for around 1 hour and reach Dudhsagar. After reaching Dudhsagar, we had again 15 minutes to offload. That was the time given to us by the authority, and the train used to leave us and go. The restrictions were like, we were given 5 hours of shooting, out of which you get train only for 2 hours. And then we used to to start shooting without the train, where the train was not required. So we had to train our securities who were 1 kilometer away. On walkies they used to tell us that the train is coming. Like jib लगी हुई है ट्रैक पे, उसको उठाओ और भागो क्योंकि 1 मिनट है या 2 मिनट एक ट्रेन आने वाली है और वो क्रॉस करेगी. ट्रेन.
Everyone's working. They're struggling to pick up a jib. 100 men have gone and Shahrukh. I'm using.
Tracks out, please. ट्रेन क्रॉस होती थी, फिर सारा इक्विपमेंट, फिर सारे लोग, शाहरुख, दीपिका सब मार्क पे आते थे एंड अगेन वी यूज्ड टू शूट.
रोज भाई क्या हो रहा है? अभी कंफ्यूज हो गए हम लोग. वो पीछे इंजन वाला हॉर्न दे रहा है ना, तो सराउंड हो रहा है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है वहां से भी ट्रेन आ रही है.
अपनी ट्रेन को बोलते हैं दूसरी ट्रेन आ रही. ओके सराउंड हो गया, चलो टेकिंग सर. इशू ये आया है कि 700 people.
To cook for 700 people, my cook used to get up at 2:30 in the night.
फर्स्ट डे जब उसने खाना बनाया तो ऑब्वियसली आधी रात में खाना बना था. बाय द टाइम इट रीच्ड, खाना पूरा खराब हो गया. Then I called my whole team, including Shahrukh and Deepika. All the 700 people said that we will work without food for 6 days. You don't worry about the food. Let's finish this shoot. And there were biscuits loaded from the second day, chips loaded and fruits loaded.
I think the whole unit that he has, everybody is so warm and sweet, and they have so much fun making a film. And you know, they make tedious films, they don't make easy films, they make difficult films. So it's more important that you make it with ease and happiness.
There is no place to land a chopper there. Helipad was half an hour away from there. No mobiles because there was no network. Walkies or wireless phones cannot catch a distance of 1 hour, you know. With one team of mine, with the chopper, 1:30 the train will come at Dudhsagar, so you all fly at 2 o'clock, reach there.
Classic. दादा को मान गया. दादा को मान गया.
Given the circumstances, whatever we got, we did our best.
रोज भाई कमिंग.
Road Suri.
3:30 तक अपने को यहाँ से निकलना है. ओके.
Copy that.
If I see one more train, I'll jump in front of it. This is it. I don't want to see trains in for a long time.
We used to stay in Panchgiri and come down and shoot in Y. There was a big land near the dam, where I thought if you erect a set of a village over there, it would look really beautiful. पूरी यूनिट की एक ही शिकायत रहती थी कि सर हम मई में शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, गोवा में कर रहे हैं, गर्मी है. इस बार जब हम वाई पहुंचे एंड नाइटें थी, काफी नाइट्स.
I'm better off keeping awake at nights. I'm not tired when it's night. It's the day that scares me. I'm like a prince of darkness. I like to shoot at night and not do work in the day. So this is nice for me. I hope Rohit is suffering now that he has to keep awake late and all.
I hate nights. बट करनी पड़ी इस फिल्म में बिकॉज रिक्वायरमेंट थी वैसी. सुरेंद्र उसको यही एक्सेस में थोड़ा राइट पैन करने बोले, हल्का राइट पैन. जैसे जैसे रात बढ़ती चली गई वैसे वैसे ठंड बढ़ती चली गई एंड आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इट बिकेम अनबेरेबल टू शूट. But I think that is what happens with every filmmaker or every film unit. You have to face all these problems. But for us, it was like took it in the right spirit. Everybody was having fun. Action. Deepika was doing comedy for the first time. There were shots where we had to wait because she used to just crack up. Action! Action, one line and she laughs. She was under control. Shahrukh sir used to lose it and then he used to laugh.
अभी आप हंस रहे हो, उसका क्या करूं?
मैं बाइक और नहीं हंसा हूं.
That's the portion where there was a bike skid in a scene. So I showed him how it is done and he's like, मैं खुद कर लूं. मैं yeah, please do it. And that man, I don't know what energy, from where he gets that energy and dedication. He kept on practicing. एक दो बार बाइक गिर गई. But he kept on practicing. I'll do it on my own. You know, it should be like a real shot given by me. And he practiced it for so long. ये शाहरुख खान साहब का आइडिया था और पूरी यूनिटी मेरी वैसी है कि हंसते खेलते काम होते रहता है. एक्शन! तो पीछे आओ. We really had fun doing all that. Niketan Dheer plays a very important character in the film. I won't call him the villain of the film or the negative source of the film. Even people will like him, the way he has portrayed his character. And I wanted a guy like to look really huge in front of Shah Rukh, a man like whom Shah Rukh cannot fight. You know, I wanted a personality like Niketan and we got it. Action of this film will be really special to me. Every second promo you see, people are flying. So I was like, I wanted to bring the real action, the hand-to-hand fight, which has not come on screen for a very long time now.
Always thought I could be an action hero. So it's great to fall and all. It's just like reliving your childhood. I used to do WWE or some wrestling thing. I mean, it's tiring and it's a little hurtful in places, but it's fun. I wish my shoulder was alright to go completely all out. Earlier I could do a lot more things. Now with injuries I can't.
He was in a lot of pain, but that man didn't stop. हम लोगों ने चूड़ियों की दुकान बनाई थी और ट्यूबलाइट का रैक था जिसपे चूड़ियां थी. That shot he has given. He went and उस पे गिरे वो. You know, सारी ट्यूबलाइट फटती हैं, बैंगल्स टूटती हैं. The best part of this whole action is when you see the action, each and every shot is done by Shah Rukh Khan himself. That's the best charm of the whole action. And you can make out that it is Shah Rukh Khan doing, whether it is breaking glass or falling, or there's a petrol blast happening behind him. He's there and it is him. Kerala we went, it was like a vacation for all of us after going through Vai, Goa. We reached Munnar, a beautiful place. This was the first time I was shooting there, and I had selected a location which was heaven actually. It was that far. We had around 70 to 80 SUVs, Jeeps, because normal cars can't go there. You have to go in a 4x4. किसी तरह से, with all the difficulties, we used to reach there.
This is my office, I can't help it. अभी ये लोकेशन खुली नहीं है, जब कोहरा खुलेगा दिन पता चलेगा लोकेशन है. वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्लेस. We have to do because it's Chennai. And first day when we went there, the weather was bad. We couldn't see anything. It was very bad. The weather was bad. It was raining. There was mist all around. There was no visibility, and we couldn't shoot that day. But usme bhi, on that cliff, what we did is we played cricket. We were enjoying, though we couldn't shoot, and we came back down, in the evening. We thought that the rains will stop or the mist will clear, but it didn't happen that day. We all had to just come down the cliff again after so much of difficulties reaching there without shooting anything.
धूप हो, बारिश हो, बरसात हो, तूफान, हम काम करते रहते हैं. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस.
That was one very beautiful location. जंगल का एक पोर्शन करना था. अब बारिश गिर चुकी थी वहाँ पे. जब आप स्क्रीन पे देखोगे तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. बट उतनी ही वो जंगल की रियलिटी थी. जो लीच होती हैं, वो जो इट सक्स योर ब्लड, वो वहां पर बहुत थी. और वो कब आपके जिस्म में चढ़ जाएगी या बॉडी पे कब आती है, व्हेन इट इज सकिंग योर ब्लड, यू डोंट कम टू नो. तो पूरी यूनिट 2 दिन सिर्फ यही करती रहती थी. मतलब ये शॉट चल रहा है एंड एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक, और किसी बहुत लोगों को काटा भी लीच ने. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन आल्सो हैपनिंग उस वहां पर भी. But we just pulled it off that also, like, and it's a very, that location was very beautiful.
And gradually that's what happened. After 3 days we started working. The weather was good.
This is our last way of escaping, but the last mode of escape also is now going down a cliff. So I am desperately trying to hold back the car.
Now the issue was that the car was locked. It used to go down the cliff, but वो ऊपर आना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. When I see it today, or when I think about it, it was like what madness I have done. Because the car comes down, it gets locked. I used to jump, sit in the car, and bring the car back up again. It was madness. That was one shot. I'll ask Shahrukh sir once whether he'll do it or not, and he was like, हाँ करते क्या करना है, गाड़ी का बम्पर पकड़ना है, गाड़ी क्लिफ से उतर रही है और आपको साथ में जाना है. तो he looked at me, अच्छा कुछ होगा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा, you don't worry. निकलने छोड़ दे तू. कैमरे. छोड़. एक्शन.
That was quite hurtful because it does hurt your thigh, knee, and a little bit of your stomach in the privates. But I could actually do it much better. I feel very scared because of my shoulder. If it gets a little more toned, then I won't be able to move it at all. Right now I can't move it beyond this. So if it gets a little more toned, then I can't move it at all. But good fun. It's like a roller coaster.
The car went inside the water and we were like, chhod dein, but we were like, nahi, because of the environment issue, we thought, okay, let's remove it, it's not right. And you'll be surprised to know that my mechanics, they made the Jeep again, and this Jeep is still in my office, still running. It's still working. Okay, nice. सब हो चुका है इस फिल्म में. इसमें ट्रेन हो गया, देन इसमें कार चेस हो गई, रोड हो गया, एंड देन केम अ सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे बोट्स इन्वॉल्व थी, वाटर वाज इन्वॉल्व. अगेन अ डिफिकल्ट सीक्वेंस, अगेन बैक टू गोवा. वहाँ पर होता ही है कि थिंग्स आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल बिकॉज इट्स वाटर. Sea used to get rough. We were shooting on a trawler. जो पूरा it used to almost touch the sea water. The water used to come in, and we had to shoot inside that trawler for 5 days. Again, a huge unit. Action involved, boats involved, choppers involved. There was a lot of coordination required in the sequence. जैसे मेरे दिमाग में था कि यू नो चॉपर टू चॉपर वी हैव टू टेक अ शॉट, लाइक वी कैन सी द चॉपर. Exactly the way I wanted, we got the shots.
Boys, dead! Fire! 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 Boys, action!
But very difficult. But again, it was good fun. I think I've shot Golmaal there, I've shot Golmaal Returns there, I've shot Golmaal 3 there, I've shot All the Best there, I've shot Singham there. And now I've shot Chennai Express also there. वहाँ पर एक दिन की शूटिंग थी. उस दिन शाह सर की तबीयत भी थोड़ी सी खराब थी. He had fever and he had to be in the water.
Action! Cut!
शुरुआत बहुत अच्छे से हुई और फिर हम सब बदतमीज हो गए. All of us were in water. हम भूल गए कि वो सी रफ है या जो भी है, कैमरा लेके हर चीज लेके, like we all were inside the water shooting that sequence. When you see it on screen, बहुत dynamic लगता है. Again, choppers were there involved in that sequence. You know, when the sun is setting, twilight में पूरा sequence करना था golden light में. So we had only 2 hours. That sequence, it's come out very beautiful. Hyderabad was again a location where I have shot earlier, Ramoji Studios. आधा इंजन तो नहीं निकलेगा. वो बना रहे पूरी चीजें. This is one question which everybody asks me कि इस बार कितनी गाड़ियाँ उड़ी हैं, तो I was like उड़ी हैं. अभी ready. Car chase in my film. Again, a risky stuff. We tried to do something more difficult and more wacko, and I think audience will like it. The kind of hard work we had gone through in making this film, you really feel happy about it. Your whole energy gets drained, and at the same time you get charged again. What pain and what struggle we had to go through making this film, not for any other reason, but a lot of hard work. मैं अपनी टीम को लेके चलता हूँ क्योंकि वो मुझे समझते हैं. They are the people who I can have the courage and I can take a risk of making a film like Chennai Express with them. Tomorrow, if you tell me to change my sport boy also, I won't do the film. For me, my team is everything. Making 6 blockbusters, it's not me, it's my team which has given 6 blockbusters to me.